I just made this t-shirt with this VEVOR heat press and it's awesome. In this video, I'm gonna show you what comes in the box, demo it for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. Is this not adorable? I think it's adorable. This could not have worked out better if I had planned it, and I didn't. So the heat press fits perfectly on this little utility cart that I got, which is phenomenal. And then I've got t-shirts in this drawer and decals in this one. In the box, which this was packaged really nicely, by the way, you're gonna have the heat press machine, the instruction manual, and a set of non-slip gloves. They have little like non-slip rubber dots on them. Okay, so I can't explain this any better than this table. There are multiple modes, and in the instructions, it shows you exactly what material, what pressure it's going to be for each mode, what temperature is preset for each mode, and the time that's set for each mode. The ones I'm going to be using are DTF transfer films, so I'm going to be doing the initial mode. When you turn it on, it's going to automatically lift this press up. And you can see here that we have different settings. We can change it to modes, A, B, and then the light one. You can do HTV, sublimation. I'm using a V-neck t-shirt and I have so many options. I don't know which one to do. Maybe this sloth guy? Oh, I kind of like this one. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to do this. So I have this V-neck shirt. I should have it down maybe a little further. Okay. Is it straight? I don't know. Is it centered? I also don't know. We're just gonna go with it. We need to put the vinyl, what is this? Teflon. We need to put the Teflon piece back over top of the shirt and the decal. And then we just push it in, apparently. And push it back in. There it goes. Okay, it needs to click. It didn't stick. It needs another go. Okay, moment of truth. Attempt number 3. I do want to mention that my issues with this machine were no fault of VEVOR. It was the instructions that came with the actual decals. They gave the wrong temperature, the wrong time, and they did not specify the pressure. See, it's pressing down harder now. So I think that was the problem. Not the time or the temp necessarily. It was the pressure. Okay. So that was a heavier pressure. Maybe this is going to be our winner. This is not a winner. It was so close. How appropriate that that this is what I chose. We're gonna attempt to do a different t-shirt because I feel like now that I know we needed more pressure, it will work better. I really like the little sloth face and I think it'll look really cute on the gray. So that's what we're gonna go with. And we'll put the Teflon sheet back on top. And it is still on auto and it is still on heavy. It's on HTV, so here we go. This just started to pour down rain. Please work, Mr. Sloth. Mr. Sloth worked just fine. Okay, well, this is the shirt I'm going to model.